this morning, there was no water in the ditch at all, and we had 3/8 of an inch on the rain gauge. That was 8:30 this morning. Now it's 3:30, and it's hovering just a little above 2 inches right now. It's kind of fun to watch the fertilizer trucks because they go about 75 miles an hour down this road right here. And then when they get right here, as the water's going across the road, hard braking, and it doesn't work because they're just flying water everywhere. This is where it's coming across the road and then into the ditch here. This whole section right here down to the driveway over there has been covered with big rock because it will wash out without it. Well, that's just, like I said, from this morning. There was no water at all in the ditch.